Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to pin a chat to the top of your screen. So let's open WhatsApp application and you want to find chat that you want to pin, and if you use Android device then simply tap and hold this chat until you see this menu to appear, and then you will see pin icon. Let's tap it and you will see message that chat is pinned. But if you use iPhone device then you have to simply swipe right on the chat that you want to pin and tap option pin. And this way your chat will appear at the top of your main WhatsApp screen all the time. So that is basically it. If this was helpful, please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and I will see you in the next one.